simple episode for all of you guys. So first of all, thank you for your support. Right? Thank you for your support. You guys are the best on the world.
Welcome, JBL Laser Shop. Meron tayong acupuncture. Ayan. Manikin. Meron tayong bagong technology. A laser acupuncture device instrument. Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. Patented po. Ito. Ayan. Meron tayong variation. Ito. At ito. Sa mga gusto mag-avail ng unit, meron siyang certificate initial. Yan. Kung magtutuloy kayo, ay pwede na kayo mag-practice as medical laser practitioner. Upon availment, meron kayong initial certificate of attendance for your laser technician certificate. You can use it na and practice. Pero kung gusto niyo maging medical laser practitioner, dadaan po kayo sa proper training. Meron tayong 3.5 months, once a week, 1.5 hours training seminar as medical laser practitioner. MLP titled. Yan po. Meron kayong ID certificate and utilizing new technology laser acupuncture. Instead of using needle, ayan yung needle, use diode laser. Ayan. Sa mga acupuncturist, mga nag-aral sa PITAP, PAI, gusto niya mag-upgrade as a non-invasive form of medicine, yan, 100% safe. Laser acupuncture device instrument. Ayan. Meron siyang control box, handheld laser, product manual, and attache case. Delivery po yan through LBC. LBC delivery. Ang ating official delivery courier. Sa mga gusto maging medical laser practitioner, meron tayong certificate of training. Yan, may tuition fee din yan. Naka 30% discount po siya ngayon. Chat po kayo kung gusto niyo mag-avail. Chat kayo sa aking Facebook page or sa Messenger or direct call sa aking telepono. Nandyan po ang aking information. Ayan. Ito ay mga bagong technology. Wala siyang side effect, walang bleeding, walang hematomas, walang death. Safe 100%. Pwede sa bata, pwede sa matanda, pwede sa lahat. Sari-saring sakit at karamdaman, pwede nang gamutin sa pamamagitan ng laser acupuncture device instrument. Order na, 30% discount. Meron tayong pre-order. Yan. Pre-order. Sa gusto pong mag-order, mga doktor, acupuncturist, massage therapist, acupuncturist, nurse, medical or paramedical, non-medical, bone setter, all kinds of alternative practice, doctor of naturopathy. Yan, pwede po kayo mag-avail ng unit, add-on sa inyong services. You can treat all kinds of diseases, common and chronic ailments. Number 1 on pains, lalo na yung mga may cancer pain, inflammation. Yan. Napakaganda po nito sapagkat ito ay safe, no pain, walang sakit, walang kirot, hindi nakakatakot gamitin, madali lang siyang i-apply, easy to apply, easy to use. Yan. Laser acupuncture instrument. Thank you and God bless sa mga gustong umorder. Ayan, halina kayo at bumili, mag-avail, mag-aral ng ating certified training course, laser acupuncture. Magkaroon ng titulo, ID certificate. Thank you and God bless.